forecast for us.
It's all about the temperatures for the start of the year, isn't it, Ben? I'm sure you've seen in the forecast and the story in the news about the lack of snow across the Alps, about cherry blossom in the north arriving a few months earlier than it should do. And you can just see how widespread the above average temperatures, anywhere with the russet tones, temperatures way above where they should be. And not just by day, also through the night. Take a look at us first thing this morning. The first column, well, that's where temperatures were first thing this Wednesday morning. The second column, the average overnight low. So you can just see how incredibly mild it was first thing this morning. And that mild air is going to stay with us for the remainder of the day.
Hello there, good afternoon. It was a very mild start to the morning with temperatures on 12 or 13 degrees Celsius. A blustery day and lots of low grey cloud, as you can see from our weather watcher photo here from Kew Gardens. But through this afternoon, some of that cloud will thin and break to give us some brighter spells.
Hello there, good evening to you. We hold on to mild temperatures over the coming few days, but overall our weather looks quite changeable with spells of rain, windy conditions at times as well.
But anyway, weather-wise, we've seen a few showers around today, but no huge rainfall amounts. Despite that, though, there are actually 23 flood warnings currently in force, most of them across southern England. And that really is a sign of just how saturated the ground is at the moment.
So it seems like a slightly drier day than it was yesterday.
Yeah, I'd go with that. There's a lot of cloud around, mind you, Alice. And, well, it continued the theme of very, very mild weather. In fact, temperatures in the centre of town today reached 14 degrees Celsius. Well, that's 8 degrees or so above the seasonal average.
Now, we heard earlier on, didn't we, how Europe is having a record-breaking warm spell this winter. And Alex is here to tell us whether similar weather conditions are coming our way. I don't know whether we should hope for them or not, Alex.
Well, I'm not sure either. I mean, I probably wouldn't be hoping too much, to be honest with you, because of, things like climate change and obviously, those changes that we're all starting to see. Worth bearing in mind, actually, that on New Year's Day last year, London did hit 16.3 degrees Celsius. Today, it has been pretty mild as well. So it has been another mild start to the year. 14 degrees Celsius in London early this afternoon, and we were in double digits all the way up the country throughout today into Scotland as well, highs of 11, and compare that to where we should be at this time of year, 6, 7, 8 degrees Celsius. It is oh so mild. It's also been quite wet and windy. Well, one of the reasons that we are getting this very unsettled weather coming through at the moment is the jet stream, which is still pretty strong as it comes across the Atlantic, and you can see it flows right over the UK as we head through the next few days. So that's what's going to pull in those weather fronts as we head through. Well, it sort of kind of throws you, because it's January, you think you're going to be wrapping up warm, and then you come out of your house and all of a sudden you're taking off a layer.
Exactly, but at least you don't have to spend so much on central heating. Think positive.
Yeah.
If you can. Thanks, Alex.